Buba balegar. Jedino sa čime se ona bavi su govna. Evo. Pitam se samo gdje će sad sa svojim govnetom. Sigurno ima neko sklonište ili nešto po instinktu ide da ga skloni sa puta negdje na stranu. Balegar Buba. Jaka je. Neustrašiva. I zna kako sa govnima.
Not bad, no, for a small beetle.
Amazing, she's very strong.
Yeah, to push such a big lump of shit. In Africa, there's a specialized variety of beetles like this. They only follow elephant dung.
Aha.
So they don't have dung beetles.
But this one don't care, any poop is good, huh?
It's Indian. Indian version.
The crap is crap, huh?
Yeah, crap is crap.
But where she's going actually?
I have no idea. For me, I'm wondering why the shit is moving by itself. I'm thinking. Then I realize.
Well, obviously she's going in this direction. She's very strong.
No, what they do is they take it to the mud and they lay an egg inside it. So when the eggs hatch, the eggs eat the shit and come out. And they go looking for more shit. That's how the circle is. So it's like finding a giant food source.
Yeah. And she have interesting color, red and black.
Yeah, I haven't seen that color before. That orangish red, the orangish red color, I haven't seen that before.
I feel like helping her, but I don't want to touch the crap. Ja se pitam gdje će ona sa ovim govnetom. Da li ima neko svoje mjesto ili ne znam. Jer kad nastavimo još malo dalje dolazi ivica. Da će da sruši tu. Ili ovdje negdje da se učauri. Znači kao što kaže Suri, to govno će da uvalja u neku vodu, neko blato, da položi jaja i onda se izlegu te male bube pa se one hrane tim govancetom i tako u krug. Sad se bori sa mravom. She's fighting with the ant.
Oh, cool.
Now the ant tried to grab her and bring her somewhere.
Oh shit, so sad. The big black ant, huh?
The red one.
The red ones, okay.
Odletela.